Is your car showing a drive start control malfunction warning? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily. Stay tuned to learn the causes, troubleshooting steps, and how to reset the warning light. What is drive start control malfunction? The drive start control malfunction is a safety feature in many modern cars, especially Toyota and Lexus models. It activates when the system detects abnormal acceleration input, often due to pressing the gas too hard while shifting gears or sensor communication issues. Why does this warning appear? 1. Sudden or improper gear shifting, like shifting from reverse to drive too quickly. 2. Faulty throttle body or sensor issues, the car's ECU may not be receiving the correct signals. 3. Weak or faulty battery, a low battery can cause electrical malfunctions. 4. Bad transmission sensors, if the car can't properly detect the gear shift, the warning may appear. 5. Temporary ECU glitch, sometimes, the system just needs a reset. How to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your car. Turn off the car completely and wait 2 minutes before restarting. If the issue was temporary, this may reset the system. Step 2. Check the battery voltage. Use a multimeter to check your battery voltage. It should read 12.6 volts or higher when off and around 14 V when running. If your battery is weak, replacing it may solve the issue. Step 3. Inspect the throttle body and sensors. A dirty throttle body or faulty throttle position sensor can cause this malfunction. Clean the throttle body with throttle cleaner and ensure all sensor connections are secure. Step 4. Reset the ECU. If no major issues are found, try resetting the ECU. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Press the brake pedal for a few seconds to discharge remaining power. Reconnect the battery and restart the car. And that's it. The warning should be gone. If it still persists, you may need a professional diagnosis. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more car repair tips. Comment below if you had this issue and how you fixed it.